Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Yee Mee Fish Soup. Very simple but tasty dish to make. Remember to stay tuned for a water fountain near the end of the video. Let's go cookie! Let's prepare the ingredients. Slice the ginger thinly. Remove any fats present on the fish. Cut the fish in half and fillet it. Marinate the fish with the condiments and set aside for 5 minutes. Cut the tomato in half and remove the core. Slice the half into 3 pieces. Remove the leaves of the spinach and discard the stems. That's all for the preparation. Let the cooking begins. In a pot of water, add in the anchovies and boil for 5 minutes. While boiling, remove the bubbles formed on the water. Remove the anchovies and add in 4 slices of the ginger. Add in the fishes, tomatoes, and spinach. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and chicken powder and mix them. Add in the noodles and soak for 10 seconds and turn off the heat. Push the noodles down under the water. Close the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. This way, the noodles will still have some crunch. And it's done! Here comes the water fountain. Oh my goodness! Hope my mom don't see this video. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!